Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you for crochet table runners ideas. So viewers, let's start today the videos. So friends, viewers, my first video is crochet table runner is more than just a table exhibition. It is a handmade piece of art that adds beauty and personality to your home. Every stitch reflects creative fantasy and love. One of the most popular style is the classic lace table runner. Delicate lace patterned and elegant look that is perfect for everyday use as wall and special since white and cream yarn give this runner a timeless beauty that never go out of style. And friends, viewers, flower crochet table runner are another favorite. Beautiful rose daisy, tulips and sunflower motifs bring the beauty of nature to a dining table. Bright color make the room feel cheerful, while soft pastel shades create a peaceful atmosphere. Many crocheters enjoy making granny square table runner. Each square can have its own color combination, creating a colorful and unique design. Joining the square together creating a colorful and unique design. Joining the square together create a beautiful runner that is full of sweet and friends.
कितनी देर है? वो शादी वाली बैल मारो इसलिए कौन सी
And the viewers, I hope
अभी कार करनी
I hope you are enjoying my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz, viewers.